call to co-founder of Samsa Living Museum. This one from Bali. Please, Miss Ida Bagus Agung Gunartawa, time's yours.
Yeah, thank you so much for the opportunity. And first, I'd like to deliver my highest appreciation to Elmi and all of my family from all over the world. Yeah, I try to share the screen. You already share, right? It's okay. Okay. Because the time is really limited, yeah. So I'd like to introduce a bit about our community. Our community call it Samsara Living Museum, which is our main purpose is to develop our value in our really small village, yeah, call it Desa Jungutan or Jungutan Village, which is the location is only about 10 kilometers from the top of Mount Agung. Yeah, really dangerous also. And then next, this is just a bit about our introduction, right? Yeah, this is our concept, which is in the main purpose of the initiation is how to redefining, yeah, how to develop the local value to be this, something that related with our life today. Because we have so many local content, so many philosophy, so many manuscript, we call it lontar, yeah, but it's still a heritage asset, the position. There are don't have correlation with the real life today. So next, yeah, this is the value change that we develop in our community, including preservation, conservation, education, and others. Next. Also, we create some museum square, yeah, because we need to introduce or to make sure what we are providing our community is related with the people need, especially once again to develop really marginal society in our area, yeah, because there are so many challenges. One of them is because we are in the prone area of Mount Agung, related with disaster and others. So we need to again develop the exact square and also experience journey to make sure everyone who's come to our living museum or our venue or places, they will get many as many as possible values to bring to their homes. Yeah, this slide is related with the pandemic, yeah. How we are in Samsara, try our best to still survive. So we devised to be 3 activation. First is we do so many mitigation activation. And second is recovery program. And also the last program, if the situation is cooling down, so we will do as many as possible normalization and also a sustainable program. Next. Yeah, related with mitigation. Next, we do many activation, but we will show there are 2 kind of activation. Yeah, in the left side, that is also one initiative collaborate with Indonesia Creative Cities Network. Because in our area, actually there are so many farmer related with alcohol production, yeah, in home industry size. So when the pandemic start on March, when the alcohol also really expensive, we switch the alcohol, which is before the people use only for drink, to be the main material ingredient to create the hand sanitizer. And this rule or this process is really traditional. Yeah, you can show in our presentation. And also in the right side, we develop again the value that we call Mapatung, yeah, which is Mapatung is food sharing, to redefining again, related with how the people should be do as many as possible activation related with collective initiation. And then next, in the recovery section, next, we are also do so many activation related with our resources in rural area. In the top of the left side, yeah, we create the program that still related with the habit with the people they are doing now during the pandemic is working from destination, because as our habit now, we are working from home. So after the pandemic, I'm sure the people is still have the same habit, but there are opportunity to get another ideas how if the people working from destination or interesting place. And also in the middle picture, yeah, there are the MICE meeting, incentive, convention, and exhibition with a really authentic setting. And also we do so many discussions, so many sharing, and produce some product based on our rural resources in the village. And next, yeah, this is the last activation related with pandemic. We do the normalization and also sustainable development in the future. One of them is create the COVID protocol, but with the local content or authentic rule, yeah. You can show how the people wash their hand, but with no wastafel, yeah, with no wastafel. We call it melukat, yeah, or blessing, because without washing or cleaning the body, we also need to clean our mind, yeah, our spiritual aspect. And also we do the collaboration, yeah, between the modernity and traditional way in the right bottom. That is a face detector combined with our local content. And also next, yeah, this is related with our performance, yeah, which is usually in Bali, as you know, there are so many performance that are really crowd, yeah. There is no social distancing, so in the future we create a new initiation or a new creation related with the role of this pandemic. Next. Yeah, and also we create some activities, especially related with the future chance, is how the activities is related with the need of the people in the future. In the right side, yeah, you can show so many people, they are still doing a wellness product, yeah, they are still produce wellness product, which is once again, hopefully in the future, this is related with the people need to solve the problem. And next, yeah, this is also our tradition, how the people eat together, but with their own plate, with their own tools, yeah, with their own spoon. So once again, I think these ideas will be great combination between the traditional habit and the protocol of COVID. Next. Yeah, I think that's all from me. Last picture is the Miss Universe reunion, yeah, in our place. So hopefully also in the future, the family of Regional Connect able to gathering together in our village. Thank you so much.